What if I told you that most of what you know about local SEO is dead wrong?
In this video, we are ranking the top 5 game-changing tactics that have helped our clients increase their business by double digits.
And we're sharing secrets that will take you from a total beginner to an absolute pro. We're talking things like that one review number that you have to hit, a former Googler's insider tip for a 15% jump in visibility,
and how something as big as opening a new office can be your SEO superpower. These are cutting-edge tactics that you can use to help grow your business.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Don't waste another second on outdated strategies. This is the only crash course you will ever need. And we've got them ranked from 1 to 5.
Yeah, sure. Let's do it.
Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we've got a tactic that many people overlook. They think opening up a new location is purely a financial investment. But what they're missing is the massive SEO return that this will give you.
Seriously, one of the most underrated ways to get more visibility on Google is to get a new location. Think about it. You get an entirely new Google business profile that can rank in a different city.
And folks, it's not just about Google Maps. Brendan from the Sterling Sky team recently showed us an actual client example. They opened up a new location, and not only did their Google Maps listing take off, they saw an overall huge spike in leads from Google. I call that a win-win.
Now, while opening a new location is a big move with a big payoff, our number 4 tactic is something that you can do right now for free, and it will give you a surprisingly fast boost on Google Maps.
So, Joy, what is the magic number with Google reviews?
Well, it's not about getting hundreds. That single review-related goal that you need to obsess over is getting to that 10th review.
Guys, we've tested this one over and over and over. And it's not the 9th review, it's not the 11th review, it's all about the 10th review. As soon as you cross that threshold, your Google Maps rankings will improve. Telling you now, the results are always the same.
You can see by just looking at the before and afters of these businesses. It's like magic. Google basically will give you that ranking boost once you hit a double-digit number.
All right, that sounds like an easy win. But for our number 3 tactic, guys, we have to talk about a major mistake that we see people make all the time. They think they're doing great, but they're really missing the bigger picture of what's actually happening in the search results. Coming in at number 3 is a crucial hack. I'm just kidding, guys. This is super simple. Monitor the actual search results page. It's a very common mistake in the SEO world to look at your ranking report, see that you're number 1, and think that everything is okay.
Exactly. At our recent Local U event in Nashville, Andy Crestodina showed us a screenshot of how Google looked for the keyword buckets back in 2014. Now, just compare that to how it looks in 2025.
The difference is staggering. In 2025, the top ranked organic page is 8,500 pixels from the top of the page. You've got images and maps and all these other features pushing the number 1 organic result down. That number 1 ranked site lost a ton of traffic, even though the rank tracker had said that nothing had changed.
So our action item for you is simple. Use a rank tracking tool like Places Scout that takes and stores screenshots of what the search results actually look like. And don't forget to actually spend time looking at the search results themselves. This is probably the most best and underrated SEO tactic itself.
Now, for our number 2 tactic, which comes straight from a former Google employee. It sounds completely insane, but trust me, the results are undeniable.
All right, our number 2 tactic is crafting insanely long title tags.
You've probably been told by Google that Google cuts off your title tags at 60 characters and it's going to hurt your rankings and blah, 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 blah. But listen to this.
So the genius that taught us this, Joel Headley, used to work at Google. At a Local U event, he shared a test that he did that he ran across thousands of small business websites. What they did was add a bunch of neighborhood names to their title tags.
And the result was incredible. Overall, they measured a 15% increase in visibility. That means that these websites started ranking for more queries and getting more visibility by making one single change.
And you can see it right here in this screenshot. Google might add the ellipsis, but they are still reading the entire title tag. By adding those extra relevant terms, you are basically telling Google that you are a match for even more searches.
Just look at how much more traffic this business got when we made their title tags insanely freaking long. Many SEOs fear that long title tags will hurt their rankings, but we're here to tell you, don't fear the ellipsis.
So throw out what you thought you knew. And we have reached our final number 1 tactic. This one is so simple that people often make fun of it, but it will get your business right in front of the customers searching for you right now near you.
And our number 1 top tactic is mastering near me optimization. No, not near me, near your business.
It's true. For the longest time, this has been kind of a joke in the SEO community. People are constantly telling me, Joy, this is way too stupid to work.
Well, too bad for them, Joy, because it continues to be a total domination tactic. Our team member Liz recently shared this example. She published a brand new page all about Botox for one of our clients. They had 0 content about it before this.
And boom, within a few months, they were ranking for Botox near me. The client is now getting new Botox patients just from this one page with this simple near me tactic.
The secret is to add phrases like near you, nearby, around my area to your page's title tags, headers, and content. It's so simple, but trust us, it still works. So there you have it, everyone. Our top 5 local SEO tactics ranked from 1 to 5 that will completely change the way you approach your marketing.
We hope you found this helpful. If you did, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel. It really helps us know that we are on the right track and to make more videos just like this one.
And tell us in the comments below, which one of these tactics are you going to implement first? Are you going to go after that 10th review? Or are you going to try out those insanely freaking long title tags? Let us know.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.